Welcome to the AlphaCars Service Center. Today we've got some exciting vehicles in the shop. We've got this mahogany metallic 981 Porsche Boxster S, and yes, it is a 6-speed manual. You can hear some work going on this E85 Z4. This vehicle is actually exceptional. It's been sold and we're just doing a little bit of maintenance on the engine before it goes to its new owner. And this white G500, Mercedes G500 that we've been working on here, doing quite a bit of work to actually. We're gonna pay special attention to this Boxster S though. Let's take a look underneath. We're doing a pre-purchase inspection on this car. So right now it's up in the air, and this vehicle is actually sold, not by us, by a customer. A customer sold it, and the new owner is going to drive it across the country back to where they live. So they were entrusting AlphaCars with doing a thorough pre-purchase inspection just to give it a good once over. And let's just take a look at the underneath of this car. It's a great driver, as we can tell, looking at the drive shafts and the boots there. They're not split or leaking grease anywhere. Same thing right there. Transmission, it's all nice and dry. And we can see in here more where the transmission mounts to the engine. All of the oil pan sealing surfaces are dry, as well as the valve cover. This little edge right there, that's the edge of the valve cover. And on this side, you can see this is the bottom edge of the valve cover. And there's no oil buildup or really even seepages or anything. It's all nice and dry, just trying to get a good angle on it for you there. And this might look like a little bit of oil or something, but that's actually I believe that's a ground connection. That's a wiring connection that has a little like sealant on it. So that's what that is. And yeah, everything's just in really good order. We were informed this car had a Carnwall exhaust installed, which is made, it's a factory exhaust, and then in Belgium, a gentleman for many years has modified the internal so it sounds better. So we can see it looks factory, but it does have the Carnwall GT exhaust. But that's a good thing because the sealing gaskets and hardware is new, connecting it to the headers. And actually you can see the other side of that wire right there with that sealant. That is a ground strap right there. You can see is a ground strap. But yeah, no leaks or anything. It's all nice and dry. The oil filter housing from the recent oil change, that had a little bit of like grease on it from someone's greasy hand putting it up there. So we lightly wiped that. And yeah, other than that, there's no like dents or gouges or anything to be concerned with under here. The front tub looks really nice. And looking in at the front brake caliper, struts are all nice and dry. This car has some solid thrust arm bushings in it, which is a common upgrade to achieve some better steering and braking inputs. And you can see the strut up there. And lastly, let's give a look at, you can see the rear strut and springs. Everything's nice and dry. Car rides amazing down the road with no squeaks or rattles or anything to be concerned with. But that's just been a quick look over at the underside of the Boxster S. If you enjoyed this little video, please let us know by leaving a like and subscribe so then you don't miss out on this exciting motoring content.